Make several deep crosswise cuts in the watermelon slice, all the way down to the rind. Turn the slice and cut through the flesh along the side of the rind. Pick up the ready cubes with a fork, an easy way to eat watermelon without getting your hands messy. Cut the tip off a large syringe to create an open cylinder. One by one, use the syringe to cut out circles of bread, sausage, cucumber, and cheese. Insert a wooden skewer inside. Press the plunger and push out the finished layered appetizer. Insert a cocktail straw into the bottom of a strawberry. Push it all the way through the core and stem come out in one motion. Run a vegetable peeler along a block of cheese. You'll get thin, even slices for sandwiches or appetizers. Place a cherry on the neck of an empty bottle. Press down on the berry with a chopstick. The pit drops into the bottle, and the cherry stays intact. Heat a metal rod and make a hole in the lower part of a large bottle. Insert a long cocktail straw into the hole and bend its outer end. Hang the bottle up and fill it with water. Lower the end of the straw to start the water flowing, and raise it to stop the flow. Wrap the banana stems tightly with a piece of foil. The foil slows down ripening and helps the fruit stay fresh longer. Bend out the end of a paper clip and hook it onto the loop of a bracelet. Hold the paper clip with the fingers of that same hand and wrap the bracelet around your wrist. Fasten the clasp, then remove the paper clip. Take a plastic-coated paper clip and straighten one end. Carefully trim off the coating to expose the metal. Press the metal tip into the hole of the SIM card tray. Cut off the damaged section of a garden hose. Make a short inner insert from the cut-off piece. Insert it into both ends of the hose and press them tightly together. Wrap the joint thoroughly with electrical tape. Completely remove the foil lid from a yogurt cup. Fold it over several times to form a sturdy handle. Bend the wide part into the shape of a small spoon. Now you can eat the yogurt even without any utensils. Apply a little toothpaste to the marker stains. Wipe the surface clean, the marker stains will disappear. Insert a long metal electrode into the end of a hose. Bend the hose along with the electrode to match the edge of the barrel. Does the water keep overflowing from the barrel? Place an empty plastic jug in the barrel. As the container fills, the bottle will rise along with the water. When the float appears above the edge, the barrel is almost full. Take out the bottle and shut off the water supply. Firmly connect the end of the hose to a plastic bottle using an adapter in the cap. Lower the hose and bottle into the barrel to fill them completely with water. Lift the bottle above the edge and wait until the water starts flowing through the hose. The water will keep flowing by gravity, no pump needed. Slice the watermelon wedge into thin segments without cutting all the way through the rind. Split the wedge into two halves and fan out the slices. Serve the watermelon right on the rind. It looks great and is easy to grab from the table. Remove the air pump from a blood pressure monitor. Fit the neck of a balloon tightly onto the end of the tube. Squeeze the bulb, gradually filling the balloon with air. The balloon is ready. If the sprayer doesn't work when tilted, replace the rigid tube. Unscrew the spray head and prepare a flexible hose. Attach one end to the sprayer and fasten a small weight to the other. Lower the hose into the bottle and screw the head back on. Now the sprayer will work in almost any position. Add a spoonful of vinegar to boiling water and stir in a circle to create a whirlpool. Gently pour a cracked egg into the center of the water vortex. Once the white sets, lift the egg out with a spatula and serve immediately. Slide the edge of a tablespoon under the peel of an orange. Run the spoon around in a circle, separating the peel from the flesh. Remove the top part of the peel, then free the bottom the same way. To get rid of stickiness and burning on your fingers, use baking soda. Rinse your hands with water. Crack 3 eggs into a deep bowl. Add flour and mix everything into a thick, smooth batter. Transfer the dough into a sturdy plastic bag. Snip off a corner of the bag. Squeeze the dough in a thin stream right into the boiling soup. You will get instant noodles. Cut the bottoms off several plastic bottles, leaving one bottle whole. Make paired holes in the bottoms and in the sides of the main bottle. Attach the bottoms around the body with plastic zip ties and trim off the excess ends. Mount the structure on a metal rod. The wind will spin it and scare away birds and moles. Take some ballpoint pens and strap them together with electrical tape. Add them one at a time until you have 5. Reinforce them with wooden sticks. Hold the bundle like a single pen. Now you can write 5 lines at once.